Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Trip, and this fall cold Sunday morning I'm here to bring you another fit. At first glance you might have thought it was my Sunday Cup fit that's hiding back there. This is a new one. You might be thinking, Trip, you don't need another car, you have too many cars. And you're right.
When the car guy says you need a daily, but then you need a daily for your daily, then you need the daily for the daily for your other daily, but then you need a daily for the other daily for the daily.
I do have too many cars, and I don't have plans for this one currently, but it was a good deal. It was kind of really hard to turn it down, so I went and picked it up yesterday. So now I have two Silver fits. This is also in 07, same year. This is a Sport Edition, which I think all that means is some of the fancy splitters, wings, and body panels and stuff. Yeah, she needs some love. On the outside, she really doesn't look that bad. I mean, I think that car looked worse when I picked it up, but she definitely needs some love. It has been sitting for about 2 years or so. The car had mechanical problems, so it's just set. So I get to figure out what's wrong with it. I don't really know what's all wrong with it yet. So the plan is to diagnostic, figure it out, give her a new clean of health, change all the oils, fluids, coolant, spark plugs, and kind of freshen her up, new gas, and work from there. And if there's any parts I need, at least I have a donor car to borrow parts from to help figure it out. And it shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully it's nothing really bad. Also, another thing about this car, interior is pretty much trashed. It is a automatic, so that's kind of lame. And yeah, hey, found some money. This car's already paying for itself. Also, another thing you might notice if you watch some of my other videos, this is a new trailer. I picked this up about 2 weeks ago. I wanted a trailer that was a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter than that big, heavy old thing, which has been a great trailer, but she's heavy. And it's put a lot of strain on the van, so I went with something a little bit smaller, a bit nicer. So yeah, first time using it yesterday, she did great. But let's get this thing off the trailer, that way we can kind of start figuring things out. Hopefully this thing starts. It was pretty hard for it to start the other day. Took like 10 minutes of starting it over for it to finally come to life. I took the battery out of the other fit and put it in here. That works. Try again. Close. Okay, now we can get a better look at her. No whole stock glowy. Yeah. Once I got the car running, it idled pretty well. I haven't actually drove the car. The farthest I've driven it is from the trailer to here. So I haven't actually drove the car around. I wanted to, you know, do a few things to her before I drive her. Check her out first, maybe do the oil. And from the outside, not too bad. There was some, I think there's a dent here, some little rust spot here. The roof is definitely rough. Tires and wheels look okay. Let's see, definitely a scuff on the back bumper. Does this have a sway bar? It does not have a real sway bar. Let's see, this needs to be reattached. It was flapping in the wind on the trailer. Notice this big dent here. That's dented in. This is dented in. All the glass looks good. A few little dents like that. So outside, not too terrible. So this needs to be reattached. Missing a fog light. Yeah. I think in here needs the most love. Definitely need a new door cord. Clean the seats. A lot of vacuuming. Probably needs new carpet. Needs new steering wheel or cover or something. Needs a manual. Overall, not the worst condition. I think that car was probably in worse shape when I got it. Well, visually anyway. This is definitely running a lot worse. You know, that one didn't have a clutch. So yeah. Like I said, I don't really have plans for it yet. I kind of want to go through, see how she is. I don't even know how many miles on it. I haven't even looked. Let's probably look at that. 184? It's not as bad as I thought it would be. But like I was saying, I still don't know what its future beholds. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to fix her up, get her running, and yeah. Before I make that decision, and you know, if she's runs great, if I can fix her up, and everything's nice, I might just daily her and do more stuff with the other car, or I might cage it, do enduro racing with it. I might swap it. I do have another K24 sitting in there. I need to do something with. I can throw it in though. Granted, it's not the good K24, which is a 2-lobe and not the 3-lobe, so it's like 160 horsepower, which is still a lot more than what the Fit has, so it'll still be fun. So I have options, so let me know what you guys think, what I should do with the new Fit. So probably name them, that way I don't get the two confused, but for right now that's Fit 1, that's Fit 2. Or maybe I do another Ute project, where I chop the back off, make another truck again. Which, I don't know if the body lines work with this car like the Subaru does. It's kind of high, and the tail lights are kind of high in the back. Probably won't look as nice. Do I make another off-roader that I probably won't use? Probably not. Or do I just sell it? You know, get it nice, running condition, you know, and give it to somebody who needs it. So that's also an option. I do have too many cars, so yeah, I'm probably definitely gonna have to get rid of one. So yeah, put in the comments what you guys think, and also subscribe to follow the new Fit 2 journey adventure. I did have to drive 3 hours in Louisville, Kentucky to go get it, where it was snowing. My first snow of the season. Wasn't really expecting that. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's kind of a shorter one, so come back later for when I start taking with it, freshening it up, and I go through it and figure out what's wrong with it. So I'll catch you later. Peace.